Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel, Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my wonderful RC car right here. Actually, maybe this will work better for the angles, not sure. Got stock battery, stock motor, stock, whatever this piece is called, right, this thing, stock steering servo, stock, suspension. It is independent front and rear. You can go different angle for every corner. I do have it stiffened as much as it can be. Sorry about this terrible view, but yeah. It's got almost no travel, or less than it would, because when I go full throttle, back end goes down a lot. But since it's a lot stiffer, it barely moves anymore, which is good, because that's how I want it. It's got the battery holder. Battery's just sitting on it, because I'm not driving it this episode. The radio, I believe it's pistol grip. Pretty sure that's what they're called, at least. Yeah. Got the product manual, or owner's manual. The body, little spoiler piece. The headlights right here, which I'm about to fully put in, they are plugged in already. I'll show you how bright they are in a second. It is four-wheel drive. Yes, it is a four-wheel drive high-speed RC car, according to the box. 9205E. I'm not sure if that's the serial number or not. 1/10 scale, meant for off-road. Everything is waterproof, though, which I'm very surprised. It does have monster tires, which I'm not saying these tires are huge. That's them compared to my fist. I do have average size hands. I don't have giant hands, though, so that's not a big help in this situation. Yeah, made by Hollyton. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I think that's everything I need to show you guys for my car. Yeah, everything is stock on it. And yeah, let's get into installing the headlights. So these are the little headlight cover pieces. They go back here behind in the back of the bumper. Headlights stick out right there. That little hole. Yeah, get them thrown in a little bit. Not thrown, obviously, because very fragile, so to say. Don't want to break the car. This is the right piece. It's not working. I'm trying to focus the camera. It's not working the best. Gosh darn it. Alright. This view might not work the best. I got a feeling it's not gonna. Okay, now I gotta get the 2 screws for it. Gotta grab a screwdriver. This regular Phillips. Oh, and it fell. Gosh darn it. It's not staying on. Oh, in the product manual though, in the parts section where it shows you the serial numbers for everything, it does say that it's supposed to come with a Allen wrench, but mine did not that I can remember at least. So yeah, that is a big pain in the rear end. Oh, camera's falling. And the screw is okay, it's staying in good now. Alright, that is the right side put in. Wow, that was hurting my hand. Time for the left side. Battery fell. It's not good. Not gonna hurt anything, but it's not good. Alright. Sorry. Gosh darn it. Try and get a good angle here without messing it up. Yeah, pull off the cover. Alright, I'm gonna move the camera. Actually, I'm just gonna set it down. It'll be a lot easier. Patootie. This is very difficult. And I don't know where that screw went. Oh no. Well, I'll find it sooner or later. It's not good. Oh, there it is. It was on the tire blending in. I'll show you guys in a sec. Oh, I'll show the camera. I don't know how many people are gonna see this video. Oh, goodness gracious. Got a screwdriver in hand. Alright. Wow, this is gonna be a long video. Okay. Got that one in. Got that one in. Looks pretty good from the front, I'd say. Look how it's supposed to. Yeah. It's got decent clearance as well. Now, if I go ahead and Oh, just a little heads up, it will be bright and it will be flashing. So if you have sensitive eyes, I am warning you. Yeah, that's it. And when it is looking for a controller or a radio to pair with, turn the radio on. Oops. There. There we go. That is going to be it for today's video. Yeah. I don't know what else to say except go ahead, leave a like, smash the subscribe button. Don't actually hit your device. Please don't do that. I want to be responsible. Yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment saying or let me know what you would like to see on this channel, and I will try to make it happen eventually, at least. So yeah, see you guys later. Next episode, do not know when it will be.